Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome to my newest listing here at 25578 Mesa Edge in the city of Menifee. Although this property technically is in the city limits of Menifee, it's closer to the edge of town, so it's surrounded by beautiful rolling hills. It's close to a sports park. There's actually a skate park. Other various parks throughout the community, including walking trails and hiking trails that are close by. I'm standing here today in front of a beautiful single-story home that has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 1,700 square feet. This property is located in a quiet neighborhood on a cul-de-sac street. It has artificial turf in the backyard and a tastefully upgraded kitchen. But what I love most about this home, you guys, is that it has a completely paid-off solar system, which means your home is highly energy efficient and it saves you hundreds on your utility bills. As you guys can tell, I'm super excited about my new single-story listing here in Menifee. There's so much more to see, so let's go check out the rest. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to check out my new listing here in Menifee. If you have any questions at all or would like to schedule a private tour, just reach out.